Hey folks, sailandski, MarineMax Sail and Ski 183 North location. Today we're going to talk about the 2020 Sea Ray 270 SDX. This is a fiberglass boat that has a lot of behaviors like a pontoon boat. There's people out there who really don't want a pontoon boat, but want a boat that does the same thing. You know, you'll notice in a few minutes this boat has double Bimini tops, and that's one important feature that people have. So when you don't have a water sports tower and you've got Biminis and shades important, then people still do water sports from the tow hook back here, pulling tubes, pulling wakeboards, pulling skiers. So you still get everything that you want. And if you don't want to be under the shade, you also have this single lounger back here to get the sun. It's pretty awesome. There's a storage cooler right here. There's a little bit of storage underneath the seats. You prop the seats up, get a little bit more contours out of it. You step down here, and you got a nice stone colored interior. Kind of flows with the color scheme on the outside of the boat as well, so that's a nice feature about it. You got lots of storage on board this boat. You got dual captain seats. The passenger's captain seat is flexible. You know, it can shift back and forth to give you a longer lounger. Lots of storage, engine compartment. You've got the ability to plug in your onboard battery charging system. You've got your table base. This boat will come with 2 tables, so you can picnic front and back. You got a nice sim rad here. Got most of all your gauges, a few manual switches, very nice fusing, stereo system, DTS, digital throttle system. It's a great boat. If you take a look up at the Bimini tops real quick, you'll see that you got a lot of shade, and that's a great thing about the boat. The other thing that you have on board this boat is you got a lot of water. Probably got about 30 gallons of water on board, approximately. Got good storage in the floor. You've got the snap-on SeaDek. You can remove it, put it back in. Nice open bow. You'll see a lot of space like this in open bow boats. Plenty of space. Up here what you have is your anchor locker. Really not an anchor locker, it's a windlass. Got the spot for it so you can have all your mechanisms to operate it. So this is definitely a boat that people would rather have. You know, this is in comparison to a pontoon boat. If you want a pontoon boat or something that functions like one, but you want it to be fiberglass and a deep hull boat, this is your boat right here. So we'll see you next time. Thanks for joining us today. If you have any questions about this boat or any other models, please call me or our other staff members, or come see us at our locations, Austin, Lakeway, San Antonio. We'll see you on the water.